Hi guys, welcome to Money Line Tips. In today's video, we have a total of 6 odds, 4 matches, combination of 4. So, watch this video till the end. I put booking code at the end of this video. Okay, so today is in calf play of where Mauritius is taking on Djibouti, and our prediction is Mauritius to win at full time. Then our second game is in Sweden, where Ariana FC is taking on Angels Homes AF. Is home team win at full time. Then our third game is basketball, where Palanestro is taking on Venoli Cremona, and our prediction is home team win at full time. Then we move on to the last game, being same 77 officials are missing Buyospor in Turkey basketball, where our prediction here is over 148.5 goals at the end of the match. So that gives you a total of 6.28 odds. And then here is the booking code. If you are interested in our VIP matches, kindly check the comment area. I will drop the